Hey guys, Anthony here from AR Gaming, and today I'm bringing you another video on an unboxing of what this is, a Fossil watch. We're just gonna have an unboxing video on this. So let's get it open. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so when I opened it, I got a handbook telling me how to work it and everything. And then there's the watch. It's pretty fancy. Then there's the lid. Alright, so let's take this out. Okay, so there it is. Let's get that off of that. Date set already. Today is the 25th. Right? So yeah, I'm gonna put it on my wrist and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright, so that's what it looks like on my wrist. Sorry about all my sores. I kind of burned myself a lot. But yeah, it's pretty nice. It's gonna come in handy. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and just keep on liking.